Hi, now we're going to learn about how to go from a fraction to a decimal to a percent and back to a fraction again. So let's say that we have the fraction 3/4. And I say, hey, what is 3/4 as a decimal? Well, all you have to do is the top divided by the bottom. So in this case, 3 divided by 4, and we can just type that in the calculator. 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75. So as a fraction, it's 3/4. As a decimal, it is 0.75. Then to turn it into, so here's for a fraction, a decimal, to turn it into a percent, we have to move the decimal over 2 spaces to the right, and it becomes 75%. Now, to get this direction, fraction to decimal to percent, is pretty easy. All you have to do is divide and then move a decimal. To get back from a percent to a fraction, it's a little bit trickier. So what we're going to do is we take this 75%, and because 75 has 2 decimals in it, we're going to put it over 100, which means there are 2 zeros. So there were 2 decimals, or sorry, not 2 decimals, but 2 digits in 75. So there's 2 zeros underneath. So that's 100. And now we're just going to simplify the fraction. So I'm going to simplify. That means I'm going to reduce the fraction. They can both be divided by 25. So 75 divided by 25 is 3, and 100 divided by 25 is 4. So that's the trickiest part between converting fraction, decimal, and percent, is to get from a percent back to a fraction.